So I have a dream. I want to make a change in the world, and I want to bring people from the streets to a place in the mountains where I build a house or something like that, where I can have plenty of rooms, where people can come and stay, where I can actually bring people from the streets into that place, which will be a total shift from their regular routines where they are walking on the streets every day, like collecting bottles and stuff like that. And then from one day to another, they will have the opportunity to actually just become a person, just like a landing spot, like a place where you can really relax and heal. And from there we will see many business entrepreneurs and many people with good quality rise up above all the limitations, and we will see a huge change in the world by bringing the right type of people to those places. And I'm not just talking about one house in one certain country. No, I'm talking about different houses in different countries. And that's one part about, that's my part to do something about the homeless situation in the world. And if I can do it, anyone else can do it. If I had the dream to do it, and I think the dream came there from God in the beginning, if I have that urge and that fire in my soul, I will be empowered to fulfill it in any way, and I know it. And I will continue until the day I die, until the day my heart stops. And when that day comes, I will not have the screaming demons around me telling me like, you didn't fulfill this dream, or you didn't fulfill that dream, or you didn't do that. No, I will be there knowing I did everything right, because I know that something else than me outside are looking into my heart and seeing exactly where I want to go and what I want to do when I have the money. So that's the difference. So check your heart, make a heart check, and let's go. We can make a change.